In this video, we'll learn about cross-testing TrendTimer strategies. TrendTimer cross-testing allows you to test the performance of a strategy's parameters using multiple lists of stocks or funds. Imagine you have a TrendTimer strategy using a particular set of parameters. These parameters might work well for a particular fund list. But what if for other fund lists they either perform poorly or even lose money? Would you like to use these strategy parameters? Perhaps this strategy just got lucky with its impressive performance with the first fund list. Wouldn't your confidence level for this strategy increase if it could be shown to work equally well when used with multiple sets of stocks? It could be argued that a strategy which has proven successful using a large variety of fund lists in the past has a higher chance of working well in the future. I'll show you how to perform TrendTimer cross-testing. So I'm on the My Strategy screen. We have a strategy called Tuesday 2. I'm going to click it to load. So this strategy looks quite good. There's a compound annual gain of 34.84%, so that's great. So let's go back to the My Strategy screen. So let's perform a cross-test of this strategy. I'm going to check the checkbox next to the strategy. Then I'm going to go down to the cross-test section, and I'm going to make a selection from the cross-test using dropdown. I'm going to choose NASDAQ 100. And so what this will do is, for each cross-test that's performed, the strategy will populate the funds using a random selection from the NASDAQ 100 list of companies. Next, there's number of tests. So let's perform 40 tests. After entering the number of tests, we just click the Cross-Test Selected button. We've selected one strategy, so we'll perform a cross-test for this strategy. The cross-testing is started, and you can see the progress bar updating. So what's happening is that TrendTimer is creating 40 new strategies. Each of these strategies will use the same set of parameters, but a different list of stocks, chosen randomly from the NASDAQ 100 list. These 40 strategies will be saved, and we can review these after the test is completed. The cross-testing is completed, and to see the results I need to scroll the window a bit here. Okay, so this is the line for the Tuesday 2 strategy that we were cross-testing. As you can see, we have 40 cross-tests, and the cross-test percentage, which is the next column, is 20.69. And what this column is it's the average benefit above the buy and hold result for each of the 40 cross-test strategies. So on average, these 40 strategies that we created beat buy and hold by 20.69%. So that's great. So this isn't a 20.69% average, it's 20.69% above buy and hold, which is 8.8%. So it's around 29%. And if we want to view these strategies, we can just click either of these links. We'll go to the same place. If I click the link, it will load the strategies. So I can scroll the window down here and see the total. So for the compound return, the average of these 40 strategies is 29.53%. And the average one-year return is 42.75%, so that's great. I would consider this a very successful cross-test. And the reason I say that is because the average compound return for all 40 of these strategies, 29.53%, significantly beat the buy and hold 8.84%. So to me, this suggests that the parameters used in this strategy are good ones. Only TrendTimer allows you to create strategies and then cross-test them in this manner. It's a powerful and useful feature, and we recommend that you cross-test any strategies before using them. Thank you for watching. For more information about the TrendTimer software and service, please visit www.trendtimer.com.